SMTV for life.
Badia ba kubi na me pese mu, obi anim se, wo me nya adu super ni nti wo ba so anu ahye na akọ achi na obi anya bi ati bi. Me di bo bi asisu nti ese me ha na me hwebo nya na me de wo ese le mamo. Hwade o wo ze Shatawale Beyonce fiti efichi Shatawale. Beyonce de fichi Shatawale. Enti no, obi anim se Beyonce onye bigger than Jay-Z. Because Jay-Z na pia Beyonce man na duru level na wo duru no. Because so ba ototu okura kire be ma dem. It's a Beyonce efichi Shatawale Ghana, Africa, a Yanimunam she. So we are Shatawale, we are Shatawale, a Yanimunam she. Because many of Nigeria and Indian one over to my aka odi sabo eti do betuma de se the video actually Ghana ni debi saa na Nigeria no fiti of finish sabo on so kon yes ade se no omu fili omu nyina because omu nyina omu kromfo ba Ghana ne ye you dey say mo sa ko de side ne Stonebwoy ya kremetan ne Shatawale ya kremetan en twasam eti ni mo ne ba Stonebwoy ne Ghana no reba and when I was Shatawale or the Bagana, Shatawale near South reaching free Beyonce one. Check Nancy as our boy is supposed to Geo, someone as our John Nigga Jimmy Bino. So I Sako the future beer. Atina wife future is bigger than Jay-Z. I was all family who said Shatawale Beyonce a future and a John because Beyonce is not bigger than Jay-Z. It's a Sako the Atibia or bigger than Jay-Z. Then Shatawale the other one. Is there any Ati or America where bigger than Jay-Z? Yabola Shatawale kwaro da cham wonho enwo ya tan ati ben ana wo even Snoop Dogg plant me na no class of so say now is there any successful artist or America sing Jay-Z tell me en kran na muhu no samanfo wo je di sisu kana bia wo no maame no fa no wono ono isa akode no tama Jay-Z gina ni isa akode no wono na papa kwa designer kwaro to bia shena Katana na fuma tom say no Jay-Z for you to say what future artist be more than Jay-Z. How can you say that word? How can you open your mouth and say artist be na America because Beyonce feature Shatawale no. Once we feature artist bia oburu Jay-Z so dey na say Beyonce kwado we ase. Na wo na nke yes a concept we kira obeka won otu. Ghana for ya mon kan okre. Ade be ntina sa pusi ji sa John Nigga. Okoka sa asem no. Ade ntina wo ka sa asem no na Shatawale di okwe bia. Moses Shatawale de na yinye Ghana for munya sa hypocrite no bona be o se bona be o ase hwan wan ya ayi boyi ayi sto Shatawale ayi sa ko de boyi anu nya de track Ghana for mo ka ho asam advice ya wo de kan se wo alomi chain de gulu kom kwasia jimi kan ya wo chain de gulu Shatawale kom ya alomi ayi se wo ni skana wo kasa enti nya kan se wo alomi de gulu kom se don tiro mi chain dem kom se alomi sign na wo ye wonni sika na wo ye wo say John wo ade pa ko wo say ade pa ne gudi pa ko wo de bono kan ye mani mu kan ye wo ma kira wo won ko wa sa bodin tu ye bema wo so bo ni bi wo tu hanfo ma say ya mo ye nya real mama ya me ya pedi Shatawale black sa ko ese Shatawale ni de won de no be ye bia anye Shatawale ti ni ba bi o ana Beyonce frɛ no wan ko treska Beyonce ne frɛ Shatawale so na ne be ye la aye ni munyam se anya aka fa be suom kafa be sete ana Ghana ni munyam na wo sa track no ayi mu de kura ayi banabo de oto ye banabo ko na to ye ayi Beyonce ne na to hwe Shatawale de no ni mienu ana me hwe ensema na lady ne kafa no so why came already ayi ni munyam se ma Ghana music but and am say anko fa outside no wo de wo kan wa se ye se edwi kwan na se anka ofia wo se contract na ni ye e kan wo de ana mo kekam masa na ne ye ba no kwa de masa musa no mo twen ebe jibu nsam so nti wo sa ko dis in case when artist bi na say for future America say ne jealousy and na John Bonnet na wo sa John Posiji ni woni Posiji ni tirima adenti na say obebi ono ka say when artist bi a oboro Jay-Z so when artist bi a mo di say Jay-Z because Beyonce husband Ghana for yen krangra it will kwa low key yen kwa low key ya ma John Niggas bi abe fire it is Shatawale kana ntum kwa na so he sa ko di edin kwa na Shatawale no ejimi we go to that channel or the baby into every time ya bosso physical because you have been put when you have been put in my face you ya me kuku bia o adenti na so ko kasa asam you been to so kasa asam say we future activist Jay-Z why because Beyonce na ibo no na I best collabo e organ bi si da no enti unso look at this kura sefu adwe na Shatawale no aka na no atoma yo na Shatawale ahyo Ghana for the matter ade adeɛ na obi yɛ adeɛ na nya mo nka na den na ayi deɛ wɔyɛ gentle saa akɔdeɛ wɔyɛ hɔ no saa akɔdeɛ wɔyɛ hɔ no saa akɔdeɛ wɔyɛ hɔ no wɔba yɛ hu me saa akɔdeɛ wɔn kyɛn me yɛn deɛ di ne mu akyi akyɛ saa akɔdeɛ wɔyɛ hɔ no a ɔno wɔtum yɛ saa Ghana music egu yi o na nyɛ mo kora ne la yi Shatawale na bi nyane yɛ mo sɛ mo nyuma me ka kyerɛ Shatawale na bi nyane yɛ a ɔne Stonebwoy bɛyɛ big race ama nkora ne nyinaa ho sɛ ne musika wɔ mu ɛna nkora ne nyinaa Shatawale no brafo mu nyinaa ɔmantuma manage wɔn ho yie TikTok mu nyinaa tiny mu nyinaa ɔmantuma manage wɔn ho yie hwɛ saa tam hwɛ wɔn days ɛne ma ne etie ayɛ de gye yɛ ɔkɔmfɔ kwa deɛ mo no ɛna wɔn wɔyi ɔmantuma manage wɔn ho yie Shatawale ɛna no saa tam days no wɔ hɔ bi tama Shatawale ba ɛna satana saa akɔdeɛ wɔyɛ fa Shatawale na ɔmasi mu ɛna saa akɔdeɛ ɛna Shatawale asan ba biem ɛna wɔbɛ dan adeɛ no ma nkora ne nyinaa ho sɛ sɛ na nneɛma ɛkɔ ɛna ama kwa me yugi mu nyinaa di akyira obi ɛfa kafa ɔbrafo mu nyinaa days ɛne wɔn bɔ sika bɛ no mu nyinaa ba Shatawale na bɛ bie nkɔfoɔ ni abɛhu sɛ nɛ Ghana Music Awards kora John Live bi wɔ mu a wɔde bɔɔl ne ma yɛɛ ɛna nyɛ na Stonebwoy ate ne ho afi mu ne Shatawale bi ka kan sasa no long time ne Shatawale ne kan Ghana fɔmɔ so ne mo president fɔ na na mu ya bi ko mo pɛ no korɛ obi bie na no ka no korɛ a mo mpɛ mo pɛ obi a ɔbɛyɛ kata so mu aso o ma me ewu na wo so wada ɛni ne ekodi ma me aduane die na abedi Shatawale nso wɔn kana no ntum da wo sɛ ko yɛ John o hyɛ ntampe no abegyina wo sɛ wo hyɛ ntampe na wo de hyɛ ntampe fo wɔn so hyɛ ntampe wo hyɛ ntampe a wo hyɛ ntampe utwa apɛtɛhyɛ na ɔbɛyɛ ohun hypocrite abɛkyerɛ bɔgɛfo no na ɔbɛgyina ma na nim because yɛ wɔ secondary school guard ne afɛ no fudis ana ɛsɛ boys na ɔbɛgyina boys no ano de wɔde stick ato ɔbɛma ho prime no susu na ɔde akɔkyerɛ boy girls no we need dick ni o we bɛma ni ne boys no yɛ no na mas obi ɔkɔ ama de nim saa story go and heavy man you say jai say jibi sam no so obi ya de na nya wo ya won kan kyerɛ ne sɛ masa ade na wo yɛ ne kyai obi ya no ɔbɛtuma ka sa akɔ de nya good Sako is very good. One bit matter Sako is good. But so attitude be no one has nya. I say no because Sakna was Korabona is here. Africa, you have to be that. I mean, let's say Shatawale one of friend and before we know to him, honest starboy to him, a brown skin girl. On it, a 2 year. It's a nice track. Or person be tea. But when I boy can and say, what for Afro Yasway? Afro beat Asway. Ọlọ́pàá ni ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan ẹ̀tọ́ yẹn ọ̀dẹ̀ tó so ọ̀nù ẹ̀ntì Shatawale ni mo wọ́n ní yẹn ní ẹ̀yẹ́ maame fan sẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ́ hip track wọ̀ so amanfoɔ saa de se na track na yɛ te ana deɛ nti wo maame anaa wo papa anaa wo fa bi ni Shatawale anka wo mpɛ oh Ghana oh ane mara yɛ ne deɛ yo mo pɛ sɛ mo yɛ obi wɔ talent bi a na mo de ma no asi nipa no so saa na mo ku ni talent yɛ te kuro hwan wate bi da Reggie was told you grab the number one could you enter town when what is it American ati a friend I near atibi abobo ya atibi wa Beyonce oba na tunu mu wiase a wo successful say Beyonce body din oba bia no tunu mu wiase wo successful le shada afro unia awuni mkafa kura unia benya wo sade ni eye ni munyam se kese ma Ghana but ko ba se enye nipa na wudi na chinti no amanfo de se ana nyem no kwa lyrics ne yede Ghana ni o na me de betua wo ka sana wo so de na wo ye na yi sana wo de na wo ye no se wo ko etiche wo so wo ko de sana wo so de na yi because be se wo nua de be na wo de yi ye njai sa adwembone ni fi eti na wo no bi o so wan ye ka se ayi ho ama return hwe amanfo hu ehu o ma he na no kire no wo nye Shatawale na eye nyom just sit down and think about this na nka be say Stonebwoy na nka be say Sakode ana se nka be say Kwame Yuji ana se nka be say man Shatawale ndi e bola sama you got I'm just even tired. And I'm doing some money. And I'm doing some money. Muslipa. Nyame ne shedi for what? I don't remember hit too. Now was Sakode Nyame wa don wona American bi say is to do asama no na ye no. I don't know the one kasa. Shatawale nya ne die woni Beyonce ada na Shatawale am tu no say me ko amene atia me ni obi akoso ye no o wa adwen papa woni wa na ye sade no but we had this obi an adwen da form and anything you don't know kana say but still Shatawale is Sakode woni obi akwa enye ni nipa kwa na kwa enye na betre won ka say nipa na won na ekwarabo no o boss o brotiri so what are you trying to imply just you people should just think about this you go kan mo say Shatawale pekasa ana Shatawale pidede ana Shatawale pesenti woni ade sade we wa beka won otojo okoto de ne bodwe yinya kire de mfa ba amra ana lumba kan wo se achecha ebo woni achi de yare ekobo na ntwie de esrade yetwa ni de si jaso awe ekoye Shatawale ni de enye be ekoye Stonebwoy a ede ekoye Sarkodie a ede na wo Sarkodie na wo Sarkodie obara be we kura this we call that channel kwa na say ko frame kura no ma me man words ni bi ka ho frame don't you ya need some more words ko bete sama wi asu nua o enya inhira mo ni nje sa na wo su de beba so wa ni anje am obi inhira wo su nya inhira wo be force ho waye Shatawale wan force wa ko freje dizi me no be yemi mo na say ni say you there bi oto na be to na so ni fe ni inhira no peche wa chest na de ye ne ope what you say nti wi ase ni nyame ne hire nipa ne nipa ne hire nipa wi ase wo force kura de hye wo bi frato ba nyankopɔ de ma to se kurom na hye ho sa na tie nti masa so obi nya hira mumi mo anso biko ade asɛm na yi kan ye ntra se ne yenwe ho ade no wanya ati bia mo na di na akobɔ se wonya ati na wa aka no kura se so wo obi a wonya dwon ati bia no wa America wa so so ngezi hwɛ omumi no mo ye the successful ghost couples on earth the couples bia no mo ye successful ngezi ne Beyonce it for you to ananyum so jeji dey na we show be na America ni bi be ya jeji ya ebi ma it's what me bi won ka say ati bia won na oburu jeji so a wo dey o pese o ka say because Beyonce na o dey ko ka ba we say o ka Beyonce straight am ba ka dey and we know say Jay-Z is bigger than Beyonce it is o ka say Jay-Z wa bu Jay-Z so dey na say Beyonce kwa do na so ntia so o sa ko dey no o be ka sa do na kids ya mi show we see am dia tentia ka me tobo wo ya hana wo sa ko de wo ya hana e wi ase obi nka sa ko de nye gudu obi anu obi to ka sa ko de nye gudu sa ko de good me tenne wa me show acha ma de me de nunu ma ye de o ma yi suda ba so ofu osuba bi na esuma fon tantan mo me nka kire no me nka se bia wo fulu no on ya da sa ko Shatawale me me ntum be force se ya da Shatawale ene force me ntum be short chinchira ya da Shatawale ye wo na oni ma di konti a wo ya da stumbo wo na ni na me ana me ntum be short chinchira back masa ani kwa se ade bi o yeni pa na dia no ubogu se ko ya Shatawale die yenkan mu because Shatawale na ni so hye don onye se na ni so na hye won pe kwa asam ana onye hypocrite onye obi obeka wo chi asam obeka nsi wani ebi no waka nsi wieni wabodi din no wo to oni abo on wase wo tu for advice for wo futu ma wo yene na o ma ni wo busia wo na abetu wo na wo size no ana wo boy man no wo betu ono owura Ghana ni ma yi mu se bandana na wo sa akode na wo underground ha wo san ba ya kura wo si na wa be ye pompos so wo nche Shatawale aswe ye wa kontum nti wa kontum ye hwenkofo mo wa kontum nkofo se Ghana na oti radio fo be ba mo ti wa ko internet kwa wa ba check go wuni no akontum ye be se foreign na bi pewe nyu eno ne hu se yes nipa no koso wo men Shatawale I tell you I'm telling you the super challenge me found Nadia internationally say a foreign person tie ma o ye tie Sarkodie no sim Shatawale da me na me ka tro Sarkodie die oni mo de ba gigi me kira mo Ghana fo Adona you only the late Mesere na Busha fo woni ayi to ye no ayi Castro say o be mu anye mani eno ana Africa fo no wa enuma eko Africa fo nyina hu ye apart from that track no wo de jechne uni Africa ni bi o wa bi abusa no ni latest track yo rap you omunim track no omunim old track no Shatawale wa be break boundaries ena wan ni Shatawale Nigeria ni be ni Shatawale Africa ni be ni Shatawale o da ya ope o ya fa ho hwe wo de mo tra one basketball de no kwa de ni mu de mu se be gum ti se de mu ma me no pa wu ya me ni hire ni pa wu wo si nya me ni nsem hire na me ni pa wo de fo obra djuma ni fa di nkan and you may be people who are coming you see it physically and what is happening to Shatawale is a blessing because you're real obi o you real no on ko tran na bia why na de na won pe na nam so nim so kan say anything tin was team ko agimi Shatawale be catch you in the face and one of this track no boni din wo be man si so man tan wa ho sin kama chi usuro ne akasi manim wa kai si nanim na usuro obi na asama ball futuro no go na ko tie Shatawale no de se no osabo advice ni nyanya Shatawale kasai eno Ghana fo anka mo asem no de sre ya Shatawale to ba ko dia mo kekam ye be tomo mo nze ye ede na sa ko de chen Shatawale enti an wo ya na se de enti eno na ekoso Ghana MPP ni obi follow MPP ni bi ya nema enye o ka buoi obi follow NDC for ya de enye o ka buoi ena ekoso fisi aveni ekoso Ghana ese ayi ho anwan excavators ho anwan dey MPP obi o MPP ni bi try say obe kan dey defend MPP and if ye bu Ghana say ya na akoso if see a Ghana say Ghana very records because why am a party member or you follower. It's any party follow no quadi. Depending on people feeling in the Nadia why the money of a can. And one the person the buy a member yet a TMA, once on the compound house, the buyer the annual Catasu Momo, so will be by some job back and chain. I didn't have anything come back yet because it's cool down anywhere here. It come back here. It's a Nippon so we good now. I didn't because I think I'm a young movie. If you are much in the demo time, that is no matter what is America TV, a big RT, a full billion of one. If you see that, Satawali na turn now. And then say be a Satawali Mokolobe, and will be a movie contract. There be one TJ Beyonce, or say no or just a musician, no talent. And me and you know Satawali what talent. And we choose Satawali, and this is one tea, Sakodiano, and this is one tea stone one. On one choose you know be the Konyesi can bribe me good try. See a good yama delegates for any beer. Don't choose the panel, why in the beer. And the baby and a Ghana for one Catatiano way the day. Hey, Mr. Fa, so when you're by 4, now you're born son. Then, what is it already? The Nasa to make a sound when you're down. I mean, be Tiauka. So when you be, I will say, I will descend. So when you say, what you be up by a descent and Naka, the voice class, a Beyonce the tone, not teach at all it was. Ghana for more, sooner we are a as harmful to me, Chakasa, no one yet dead. Would a baby I will be a woody machina, Piasano meeting, not the way on Uncle Kunkrabayo. But and I'm so going to Unisha Tawala or born on a border. A yamon. San and a cosa, that is Lumbanis a could and I'm the killing. And you see that Lumbanin and a champion. Omumi and see Swami born on the Coso Kamasa, I must say yet. And I got Lumba, and a good scene in a champion. Son, I'm the killing a champion. And then a champion. There was a year, that was 1996, like a bed, or 600,000 copies. Cat and maybe in Canada. Would my friend despite Nabusana? Or was I record in a champion? Or 600,000 copies. And I Ghana fan. Oh, Lumba, you good scene in a champion. Lumba, you good scene in a champion. And the young scene in a champion, so I'm a champion. Who fade free. Check, kind of follow. And so many good, but don't wanna could hurt. And I'm a condemned on the nature of some man who came my mouth and then I feel nature of one bonum bra, Minqui. Satawali don't chum, we are by 4 corner by 1 cent. So we are by 4, and I saw one who is Satawali swap. Satawali and I by 1 cent, I tell you. I want to know some room. But Jim and some share. Scattered and anyone. What do you have so? Anybody in the mission will be clear to me quite evil. No Sako de Ocano, you be Ghana, your musicians will be yes or one in the bed. Corabu, almost very cool fuel. Almost very cool fuel. It is at our no be going to be vice cattle money. And I want to make us say vice cattle. And they won't lie. Area found foul. Opa, Cooper, 2 free years, and I could go, we are sitting. Yes. And then you should have never. That's all no be any assets. I don't want to see the night champion. Lumba, you would see the night champion. Lumba, you would see the night champion, and the night champion, and the night champion carrier. Obaso Shannon question, and I make any mood. The mood by a maybe a cost of Ghana. So be here, dear, as a new cider. Now, the one was in Nippon, so I won't say any panel. But what I said, what America, what to make a session, I will in New York. But I'm telling you this. What the hell, don't make whatever this song you call the bag, views, you know. Just at a wallet or business again. Said you still run Nigeria market. Or said I starboard a whiskey beef. For them to know that nothing will be PMO. Pa, the Nigeria for soon. I'm out for a kiss. Ta, Sikapana Yajo. So I'm watching an edge man, you put bread. So when you catch them, and some watching here fast. And only as a towel and only as a go back to 2. Another go back over Bonko and compare. You know, I kill a bomb. And then when we finish at a wallet, or set up Nigeria from dog saying, Nigeria population is big. It's if you are going to Nigeria, that's one kind of move viewer. And also media, social media, and all the first car. Only was get quiet as beef. And they said, Nigeria, and you can't set a wallet. Open the watching. Nigeria, and you and they say, I feel no, then I want to have a person who penny with tea. With Tiano, with Tiana for a real brow. so na den obi aficha no say wo sakode wakonya obi na abonoma cool na wo positive but na wo say sakode ni obi ayekurabo a the person is bigger than a Jay-Z. What do you find quite good? American artist paying the win last one. I don't know how big I want to be a no. I can't so big as Jay-Z. DMS and I'm 50 cents. I put a body. Don't me view on a casa because simply because I shut a wall in it beyond the Korabu into Uber. Just I was why I be a moya. What is happening? I say, we need check. What is happening? I say, I won't so. A bar must be the awards, was at all in GB that walk. I can't want some. Huh? But only when you're the biggest Korabu in still and you want to come there. How person will say, say, when you're wishing. Hey, no, you know me. Share, that is Shatawal and I'm one of the Kunyasa, Korabono. Share down. And you know, you are saying. But if I'm in Cantinamo, say no, and if you walk to Gatum, if you walk like a boy, you say, oh, damn, now Beyonce was smart. Huh? Then I would dash in the high class gun and maybe between Beyonce to them. I want him for. I shall tell him, can you see this at the well and I shall tell him, go to Metria, so I could fresh Beyonce said, many Beyonce, but I'm not saying one track. When you say I can't tell. Kubusa Sako, the only is to no. Come to Kubusa. Only is to Kubusa school to now Beyonce now fresh at a wally. Kafana the Yaji. Bunch, Yaji. It's no catching on us in the range over, you know, get some. Who need be? Share. But damn papa. We is no one's as minable. Share. Asa. And I am a young to whom my cousin Minchamo. If you must run a wood to a year for Cassa. A year for Cassa. And I would class Acassan to be here to you. I'm telling you this, man. Namishra, many pounds in a mere shroud. Na mi shone skanabana skanudi si wana so kan ya odi ko sheto kuru ye so kan ya di sisro ma na hyeren e o bible ye so kan ya fa hye bon ase iti na mi hyira wa ade be na be ma ni pen hu na mi hyira you talk about it ba ga na hiafo ne ahoya no obi show off o so wo tu no for what iti wona na iti ko wo obi no wo ko ho gare ni uni ewrade nyankopon hye me say ayi me wo Ghana na me super bi ana akwa bi ba obetonsa de okono ba ofinsa no ana woman bi etime fa the fee ne bed 6 months ana wudi ne birthday akwa ne be gina no say na de na nkura na tiase wo ye na me so woman ne di ne ba wodi 6 months birthday was we spice ka say kwa na say ka won tum ehia focus anu no ka won tum say ne ba na di one day kwa no wudi ne birthday e usika man we need to celebrate life ayem ye muansa kana ne am ja tan Shedon, it made a sack with them, so a sack with their fun and a sack with the editions one idea. Send the posty Jews, someone might add John Negabino, because niggas knew what Tiakra wouldn't say, or Matiaka and that's no one answer with it. Share a duck. Share now, you are not Casanqua, some say, see, I shall say, Wakasam, found then to talk to Tom and to talk few of who be true. Even when you say, what feature TV or St. Jay-Z, and so what? Is there any artist who is bigger than Jay-Z? Ask yourself that question. Is there any artist who is bigger than Jay-Z? Kai, Lauren, I mean, she was the thanks for watching, man. She ever blast to a moment I didn't know because or 10 who near drew or 10 who near drew. Share now they won't change any basket of trust, and they don't move a woo. They won't part that straight. Now I'm going to me the moon. Because at our no name and you want to tell my mention of our kilo. Oh, I deal with Grammar. And you will say, Anna Ebusu. Iti nsuo na abusu se na se de na na chata wale wotu onyamfa ne santu konko we ni enyi ni bi ntu enti ayema abusu ye gu asie se na wosato ni mo wosato se wojiga kwa no de se bura konko we mu dia e na fe dan duru waka shi jem hwe chata wale don koda utana obewu koda hwe won obi ono de se ni tirewu won obi ono wakọ SS awie a wa feli ye na kosa ko start SS1 na osan wo sabe san feli na se wa bon atawole wa basin mu wa be hu ni wum ana wa ko na wa san ba edidi na abetena enu ntina oba he no oye correction bia wo mu because ata no oba na mafo hu yi no obe hu la bebre wo me titia go bebre sata ma ahifem ti mafo di jano ebo na ko chia me kwa no ko jano mbo ko chia me ko fi ngum jano mbo enka continue ngum jano mbo keteke ne wa name it. And then they were in the industry near fucked up, no? The guys were not willing to stay. Artists be player, how they check in, we are crank, and then we'll be 20 years to know what type of campus assumption. I crack it to a bit. I was on a sudden cool scooter. In crack think it, you know, what type of Jimmy some. Satam sa artist 90s artist no buy no de hip hop no mo dan na hip life man ya na de John SS no omo ni anchi enam se satam no nkofo no mo lidi nyum ni miemi ya homo Shatawale was there with them no Kenya days this Shatawale was there with them Shatawale musa ayini nyina opra fo mu bana se ko omo ye billionaires omo do so opra fo no satam efa na be ko hemo no ene opra fo me ka se bi anya no ba o wan hwe reji was to mu nyina ne reji was to na bi na live ko bie sa reji office here na wo didi ho a ko wan ye miemi omo so na music renya omo de kura so mbe omo clear man for talent the Shatawale say ko ba na Ghana fo nya fans no the kadi me discipline go for sanete I say killer commando ko teneba commando watch the ba no ba ala wala yi utuntu ko ase no ba sala ni bi na Shatawale wo yen sisi an because he has been in the scene before ana sa ko dia mo do mo ma won say John X omo de o kan won ti ma me mama one example ka say me mi yi bi say shows ana mo ba yi kuruma Nigeria for na organize shows Nigeria for me kasa se mu ya kire mu so ti Dubai was over Jimmy Bia, Africa or Africa, the Indian being Kuman. I mean, they say, Stonewall Crown Airline with Ethiopia. We beat Ghana on this star on one for Ethiopia, Emirates over for Ethiopia, where transit, or Ethiopia and Sanwaba. Stonewall Crown Jimmy, yes, airline been on the fly. Sako de Memu and 5, but Stonewall the Neo Airport. Neo Airport on the Stonewall. Sadiana Mikasi Diama Bay Balls. Ethiopia, no German, the whole Stonewall. Now you know, the video Muku, Emirates never. It is a stone one on our point to me for Emirates, but almost on low. Shatawale will not belittle himself that way. Shatawale can't say no more watching a debate last year when you feel the stone one and you sack with the Ahmed. It didn't know Mamma, I feel almost fire. Came promise because must say another yard or a bar with him like ya. Shatawale on my own fan in the soul. Sasho no the crewman. See, I know that some first a young buy, have me say, the wasabi moon not be a show, not fair. The video next time or more pressure, we persuade. Sako de Busawas with Obio Cope the Sako a performer. Let allow Sawa, or the man on a film buffy so one, and almost almost show you Europe or never come. Now the end is what this can be, but you are killing your talent. Among Africa for never because Hano and they Ghana for Senegal. And all Africa if for one woman there could be. In Siama, Kwama, Yenny Obaya. How would they know you? It will go about your performance and then you go and search for you on internet. No, also, but on the mobile, so move to Uncle for and I shut away in the Macquarie, a boy, he can't fear being about on the schedule of a born. It's Nigeria for the Satawali two, and I feel Stoneboy, a Saturday and a Stoneboy to the camel. Last hour, baby on the banner can last hour, and it is Stoneboy camel. Stoneboy needs the airport to be. What Ethiopia Airline, who's Stoneboy? Where transit and some of the shoe. Oh, that's not a whole lot good actually. It was last year. I don't know more than Sako the Stoneboy Amadi. Omoniati. Satawala Momoniati. Satawale Momoniati. I feel the moon said Stoneboy and Sako the so any beings, you know. I feel more of can promise. Go and check. One of our can promise. One said it in Satawale, maybe not Winima. That Winima would we did. Or no guy, what from down? It's nothing over to know, say, be woman. I will be on what SS every no Sako started from one. What about Ubechino? What the hell? What you're watching? Show you junior, no general. We are junior, crown, general, Uchino. What you have the woman because he has been there before. When I feel no about SS, what about SS or call what's about? It is at all in one channel. It is your own way, why do you crank, you know, I won't know what SS we now, Papa, who went Chasako SS for what could do an crank for more from trade. Almost will be homo, our channel homo. Won't you know? Now they have a check among homo. Shatawal, when you say you are bottom and answer if we are Senocre, a bacope. Ghana for Pesadiano, and no, sir, Nisatawala, and Ghana music, a woo. Check artists and you will take him a cassette, book back. Omina Fedi. Because in here, Mian, then time, Nasatawalo, or Bravo, they were all there. But, and I'm saying music, or more money among Koyentino, a killer voice, no, because you won't feel happy. And perform control music in the morning, and we are watching some one idea. Yes, you more one more air. Sometimes you're born with a jip. It's all you want, it's all by one of the Diana. Young woman, the Jadigo of Tom to make her. Once and I say, continue. What that video, no video, no, the citizen. Satana continue to Minkasa. Satana continue to Minkasa. ba Shatta Wale san ba back no won ba bi mu no say no on tell ma san man ko say Shatta Wale ma King David mu can promise me that I enjoy omu simi so ni fili but amanfo nyae hwe artist omu ba na ntisa omu nyina fedi away nam say na Ghana music industry no as a enwani ye kele ko for talent they want the omu pese wo no omu pese wo ye na wo ye abra wo so ne Nyankopon de adoma chede na chawa wo na ese wo ye na ese wo ye no omu na be chese wo ye nti wo ye wadon say wo mpene a no mam kawase Shatta Wale kunya na no ba eno wa ba no say ma won kan say don ya mon kan kuro Shatta Wale ni wo ye bia me say Ghana Music Awards Shatta Wale di kan ka sa mo mo nominate no mo fa ni di kan ho omo yere so mo ma na award Shatta Wale di kan kan ene Stonebwoy so film ene Stonebwoy film ana Stonebwoy san ko back adena no kwe ho amom yenka ene awards mo yo se Stonebwoy so ayi no film kakra amafo so be nwane akọ Stonebwoy pe kwa ye Shatta Wale ni dia kasa no ko don ewi aso ye won kofo bi owi ase ho wo ye na de na ye ne yakora na aka no otu no da hye ni mu dabi ana won kofo bi o mtse me don't wo ye ma de na ha me ka tell you in the face because me so ni na me I will tell you say why me ka tell you ebi ni Shatta Wale no ye na de na wo ni na me no obon fra mama no etu de busa ho na me ne hye ni pa o hwe ba bia na wo ne wadu sei e wo ho de ana ba bia na wo ibi ye woto klase ba bi kura wo ka wo ka ene ba bia wo kira enye wo nim ti o enye wo ho ti e Nyankopon na ye wo sa eti se saka no wadu hala se obi pese wo no be kire se wo be ye bibia na wo be twema no wo de ya mi siswete ense mu na me kan sa bi dina me kitchen me bon kwan twi ban kudi nkuruma be wo na guy what you say wo be dwane what you say eti na won twema obi because Shatta Wale we wanya ne nipa na de ama no man ne betuma se ne boso na ma Shatta Wale du sa level oba bandana na wo level ben no ne wotuma du ta level wo say wo me hey what the fuck chuma kwa na ko jini what in the baby na winning Beyonce winning Beyonce Ghana for winning Beyonce na Beyonce ya sheda afre wo se me na wo ye no wo nya this privilege na winning nipa betie Shatta Wale no winning interviews wo twa a wuni ma wo te Ghana wo kasa basa wonya one city ya yibi agu wa yisu wo kasa because wo winning saman passport ko da wuni bi wo story am kran keten on fa ya no ma type no ma kan ase no ma di watam no ma di se de wo mpeso obi nshira be ko sa na betena ba bia wotena so kwa de SSC na abeso ucha ana university na wona abese wonye upe no so ko upe bia e nyame hwe wo ko en ikan shira se mo obi na wo su nya nshira sam ne se Shatta Wale ofi obi fi man ka wo mpe na wo anya sa ko de wo abebi wo no ka sa ko de anya ati bia no wabodam okay say go dey good awabodam Africa rapper ben boniti but so attitude na nya yes e ka kire no and say go dey and Shatta Wale they are two different things Shatta Wale no na rapper but Shatta Wale no no utumi ye afro utumi to her life udimi kra gospel beto dance on dey na duane me so do person wo di Shatta Wale bi ahwe wo dey say go tie na dance on tracks e kai me bi that's Shatta Wale to tamoba everybody like my thing almost what dem crime mo bi o so dance on no to ne ma dia kachi Ghana for ko days of bandana we be tie dance on tracks bi bre fili Shatta no yin open but later no say no o so to dia Ghana for pe and odi tie sa everybody likes my thing na sa abon so na e full of Ghana say no ye no more o ye Ghana say the Ghana here no no ye no more say the be chi Ghana for adwon emuachi no we hwe go dance on tracks bia wa ya don e mad go dance on tracks bia wa ya don e crazy it Shatta Wale no na medical example na kire wa ko SS wie o papa se wo ntwa wasan de wa ko gina SS1 enkofo no mo madu SS3 no mo form 2 tamana wo form 3 no enti ono ko ofere so obeba be humu enti ne obe no so obe na ni adin bi so obe humu ni ayo ko be chan kotomanawu enti ne ye o te class ye kire ni na wo sua tra di ade se ni tirewu ana obesa feel enti Shatta Wale tata no oba bandana enipa bibire free mu de name wo wani afibia wo ko 40 ne sa nyama no wo 38 37 36 hwe artist be play aga ne no mu na wo wo say say new artist it's a new artist because you kill a woman and penny phone control a I'm money and do industry what Shame Kwame what Shame Kofi Reggie Raston and Casse what the bomb the baby book back omunyina free system because enkasela na wo omuntimi de omuntimi no muni sa vem no awbetumi aye sa tam kwara Shatta Wale no ni sa vem no it Shatta Wale o twe no it ko tie Shatta Wale no old tracks na no onye bad o ko tie bandana des no onye bad o twe no it was san ba back no o mehwe masa na ma na nkoso it si ye ka Shatta Wale na ma Ghana music agina munyini enu to ba obebu bom Ghana music na ma mfo so wakasa de en obi akeka bi wo de kan kore so wanka bia na no kore so na wo kan because atano no wagina na so bi with that Ghana music awards no ko no ko na ni into on fam ho opekro mo so say mamu nominate no eso mo ma na award ana so the born mo this one was common 70,000 700 million na no charge o mo o ka so lose o ka so be transfer atwo no ma ni pa de o pa we wonu nua no tere kura atwo no se be o mo da duru wa ka shedi no to me tono na Ghana ye Ghana fo nyina de o ba show a wo be diska o be jiw 70,000 so ntua no wa ba fama mo o da wate Shatta Wale wonya fu ba Shatta Wale wonya fu kurata mo sa hit no eso so mo nominate ni sa man award o so mo man mo ana face Stonebwoy azu say yes upon this Stonebwoy koyen to contract for this Stonebwoy kabo mo tana dem kasa ya Stonebwoy with the guy what the guy is saying is true because a reality 1 + 1 is 2 Stonebwoy ko join no ade ntena Stonebwoy ka Stonebwoy ba kwa pa chawo but Stonebwoy was one senior man kan ya no correct I tell you what was the senior man kan ya no correct ba ko join no nia ade ntena Stonebwoy so ayi nani because yes ade ska no munyo ojina ni enne na page we aman kurai ena obi aye na mo kan na wo firi because obi aye say Shatta Wale ye no ayi kikim eno na ayi kan bi no ayi strong man kan say Shatta Wale de na o mo se ne wa win papa esuan no kran hwe unim no yes unim ade a Shatta Wale ye na Ghana music man ke ba ji wonsem Shatta ayi mo de sa akode ne de hypocrisy wono no I say adanko data dey crop the john no amamo an ho bambam obete ba bi no atwi ba ko ko gina bonte no akaka se amanfo tie no wi sankofo ni bia asankofo ni bia informant level ha ya so yan chima ma me informant ko sku ya so obi spy obetumi ni mu nyama ko ela no asanko bubu mu dini abefa mo se bi na sakode aye obi nka esa akode ni good it is a level no enye it's a wo friend no informant a obetchama no eno no kwa Shatta Wale kan no Shatta Wale person when you jai sad hypocrisy na wo ye no na nka wo de buza ho say strong man say on Shatta ayi sa ko de na de call UK first you o man free play call London e de be ntina contract so on sending ha wan le da ho na wu so gu na numa won tafre ha wan le da ho na wo e so gu na numa won tafre ha o de kan ko wan le da ho na wu so gu na numa won tafre hypocrisy na eku Ghanaians nipa ne ya ade na nya kura na wo ba fekira ka akire no yo hu nipa ntuntumi nka akire no na wo ne oyo opponent na wo na da na wo di blame ni na ko gu no so masa ebi ni se ai 500 excavators ayire MPP fo hu nka mu no kure ada o MPP ni ntino obeto kura sa wo ka na o kata mu so that's the nature of Ghanaians and this life sadie why that we MPP no ya Ghana ni ba excavators nko a wo papa kura bia wo ntom bi da wo bi so ni bia ntumi ntobi da wo ni wi aso ba ye na ajira nkofo bi omo so omo MPP fo di tusika ema chairman won tumi tumi begina ayi so ka se ono de wo nya $1 million wo so ye MPP ni tu di na chi we nipa mo share nko akire wat na ne don tilo me kansa we nipa wa ba so bi a share nko akire ne nipa bi bi we nipa ha se chairman won tumi hwe wo so nya $1 million a day it's a Ghana ko nya $1 million a day man ka Ghana ke kan ke mpia but I'm a MPP man it na se me support no na we are the blame nya gugu akufo na mahama so o kan obi ana Ghana nko so ni ma me ka kire because o se kire kan yan ka sesa o kan obi awo MPP no ni pefe sa ade no ma ye nya ye se Ghana ye nya se kire ne ye ka enye no na be ma MPP elusu election and enye no na be NDC elusu winning election but you are telling the truth say be Ghana will be saved if say boy ye never boy no hypocrisy ntino na makogina amenka because me can me party be kofom eno ne ye kan wasam no it just imagine say ade asa akode ye sa ena sa Shatta Wale kan say onya asare no wan ka hwe o ma ne ba like no bi anwu ye agin kofo sem afi amam atamfo no ka say onyom ne de lyrical ni lyrics nim eyepe wo de enye say onim nom to say jezi ni ayi o mo unim nom to say wo de enye da ye de fans ni ye be support me say Shatta Wale obi no ye ye be support no enu achi wakoye wonu ye de nyame ase wo Sakode wo tumanya be korabo wo be biwa no be ka se wo mani nyane be ka se ya ye Sakode ni obi aye nyama enipa no wo so sen Beyonce wo de ade se jimifo na onte de wo kana se na ko be so kire se ade na ko be so kire na Shatawale kan mo anam se wo ye hypocrisy ntino mo se Shatawale kasa mo ye hypocrite fans of Sakode mo ye hypocrite because as someone can someone who say one kasa ye I say Stonebwoy be can say e be take more years sana ono any Shatawale any Sakode dey omu tie no but one kasa ye one kasa ye because matter who nyame who na woni say obey Stonebwoy and why is Stonebwoy it woni mo bi a oba woni nyame dey ba what ya say woni mo bi o san ba biem it is said wasakasa one kasa intimi who is Stonebwoy fan no say that one kasa ye so Ghana need ye obaji wajina because we are fan yen live sa Shatawale yen nyama bi ne nkoye a ye be ka che Shatawale sa nyama bi a wo ye enkoye ti be yema straight it is obi ade woni nipa na wadamfo nti woni wadamfo na wadamfo ya ade na nya wontumi nka che no ye fa sa de ni live obi ase ye Matias ama Matias ye fa sa de ni live ade bu aya sa woni wadamfo na so do wadamfo ye nyama bi na nya ka che wadamfo ne cha ade na wo ye renye enne ba mo wadamfo na san enne ba mo wadamfo wo se wo ye nipa na se wo di wadamfo chi na wadamfo ye nyama na nye na de bia wo di na chi dam se wo nim se wo kan o 2 cd bi wo de be ma nti no won fa ma adon you are not a good friend wo be di na chi sa na akotom na ye fa sa livu obi ase enne na eku Ghana no that what is killing Ghana. Tony, thanks for watching me enne na si eku Ghana because say with obi echi na nipa na ya ade anya me ntumi nka because me se nka nipa ne betwa ade nti na wo ntumi nka ese o ka chi nipa no na nipa ne jage na wo ye because they see you chasaro wonim se na chiachia ohun se masa me se mo ba so amon show na don't you me nchi bam kunimi na nsama maka me kan sem bebre eno na eku Ghana eno eku Ghana because ewiase na ye ntene but wo di obi achi na se nipa ne ya ade na nya eno ase o ka chi nipa ne cha ade we na wo ye na nye na nipa na sesa eno na ama Ghana ntene si amekwan se MPP tisu ade MPP ya enye bia no NDC fo kwa na eka ana NDC fo so betena so ade MPP ya NDC ya enye bia MPP fo kwa na beka ye na ne sa say NDC tisu na NDC ya ade na nya NDC fo na MPP fo na eka ene be mo matene MPP tisu na ya ade nya MPP fo na NDC fo na eka ene be mo matene no wo hu me kwa me ko fo ekura kasa sa ade na me ye ne nye but ko ba say party opposition nko na eka abra ye so ye di party na chi ni pefe se ade ni nko ye nye ya ka ye moto no ye nye ne masa esa ne ma omane nkoso eno so e ma Ghana music ne nkoso wo dia na make sama chire Ghana bi hwe ena ma continue yi video a no fa hit kai me ta kuma opon ya mi shira so me wale from Sweden yeah wo no fa hit no kasa bebre sata mo no ma nya no an kasa sata Shatawale me ne jani ne ho Shatawale no su wantuma kasa bi ko no dikuru wantuma kasa thanks for watching the don't you oba so share ne nsem na ye kana no odi ye ka uza some generalizing bebre di bi wa dwen me fa nyina ba bi fa ko ba my generalize na obahu say eso adikasi ntu share na onua bi so abibi na enua nipa bibiri ko me dey afa politics me dey afa music me wi so me dey afa football me dey afa honya so it's onua ya de na nya ka kire onua se masa ade na wo ye na nya nipa na manasesa what I say go na the days say na Ghana music ani ye tie nyum feel bi ko me wi SS Twitter ni ko SS 98 amas sata mo ye contact kwa ye life hip hop no be ti lumba mo di ya ye eno na tie abna na minister so hemati Alex Minister, thanks for watching me yeah sir nanama free my thanks for watching me me nyina so eno san mo na dey join me but that kind of Ghana music industry na eniema threatening wo nanama me da free me da so me eniema threatening it Shatawale no so asin bi that boys be bre nyuma na omo de boys be bre ja no ye ana Nigeria for take over totally kai Ken Kosoku abo nana ba akopɛ German to say bibi e kosi kama de don't kill the mama anti mo ba so mo share nko achi we don't look TV live je twiba nku ye sare live no for mo saka hwe Ghana music ni se oba kana kra na ye pop Nigeria no oba fa ba bia no bi sanu no kwana na ye bobo na ye mo Ghana no kana kra ba Shatawale musa ba mu bi 208 oba no hwe afere Ghana no be jinai ana ne enye bia wo threat na yo o Ghana music bi o e concert no obuo ma no mo first na emi o no so be du so no afi mu so mian ketwa no sana ai se Ghana politics o form na afeli to on so bi na tumi a na ase no omia sa na obom be ye enti obom position mu na ye amwo ne se na wodi kope pole wodi kope ho amani sika na obepa di ba Shatta Wale mo monte sa ni o no be ka obo ne wa na fukutu na wa no didi o so obepa MP o na fukutu sika na obepa di na ko Ghana music ndi no ko ye wo fom obi ana wo obo ye mi a wo Ghana music man na de pa wa na mo ye ni salis abi wo ye musician obetuma be Ghana music he Africa no 2 years yamba ni musician bi yense obi career he na sa ni to wo san so obe politics konko achi konko ai sa abiriwa wu na ade abiriwa adi ade no ayi na ne tu ahyeda what ya say so na Shatta Wale bi gina mti na ma Shatta Wale kasa bebre no eti kai even start for watching makwasi ba bro chire kasa kroma ya mi shira so o he mati so no ana ma Shatta Wale untumi kana ntumu ta ban kun te ta ban power abo so na ma Shatta Wale untumi kana ntumu obo man ko fon ba ma fon tiase sana ni pa to so he real obi ya dena nya wa so obo mani pakro no na afi na obekọ kan won achi no ate da bi ni para ya de na wa so obo mani straight na me pon sa de na wa na ejon no wa no because ade a me chichire mo ma ba mu ade a me chichire mu nyina no ko a wo nyina no abe no ma ni pa na sa ade a wa ya nya Shatta Wale aye big thing in Ghana music I tell you wa ya de kes ehun shan wo nya no obi an na jo no abo Shatta Wale die ni why o Ghana music me easy why ya de kesi o Ghana music mpa because say o be kase o be yi Shatta Wale free Ghana na o ka Ghana music why ka wan kesi ka be na be mu eno we Ghana music gina first guy see obi e feel it's open on put the shit that corner call reset back you see the Shatta Wale why ni ma be o Ghana music ni influence Ghana music help a lot because Nigeria see take that am pay issue krana Nigeria artist ya na e ko form ba ba see issue ayen go Nigeria artist ma e fa kwa mi uji mo ne wan fo ya obetuma bo shu no Ghana e ko eni wajazi edi ne Shatta Wale ya de e kasi ntimi de me kan ma sema na me de ba mi ya no siramo unu atu onu yi bibi na nya ka chi unu ase juwa dia we enye wajazi so one MPP so one this na se bibi ko so na one MPP na nya ma MPP fo na wo em emu enye NDC na bibi kum na nya me emu senye na esa akode ye na enkoyi because e di Ghana ni machi ehu so obi fira buruchire obi American artist ono betuma fi se Beyonce feature Shatta Wale it was a big thing a blessing to Ghana music a big thing I say Shatta Wale Vascatel na easy Shatta Wale Vascatel kan betuma ti kai dan turu wa ka sheji ante don tilo me drop for what ache be da munyina thank you for watching and na show bia so very don tilo nshira kan obi a wo share ma obi an so na everywhere banku na bin je se me kaje bu mo na me kire no nshira kan munyina Andy Mola kai thanks for watching the don tilo na me show bibia o he me wo ma ntuma mu bibia mesra wo fa chame mte ni pa ne doso ye bibia din na metuma bo ba me shira munyina oba di show bibia enya na kan samade ba kwa me to Ghana fo ye nya bibia tem na ya ye wo social media no aya adwen kire obi ya dia kire wadwen in peaceful manner internet school ya kire bibi se debate so on ye school ya kire bibi se debate in se wo ye debater eno nkire se wo be didi atem wo se school ni debate ni didi atem dabi adwen na wo ba kire se wo ha no akire wadwen ba se ko didi obi atem dia nkire sa de no school we sa de na se won ko school ara se wo tena fi bi na ko school bi won no kire no nti mo mi nyina ye nhia de wati ase it's ye share bibi se justice sky the bobo ga me musician ba international enti ma ba so America wat ni akele mo wati ase se bibi ni ye kana adwene enkof bankruma mo mi nya abutre ni nya cheche ya adwen ni nsua de ye nya de sua ni sua ebi obi nso hwe ohwe ma na mo type na no nso fa de sua bi wo mu ba se didi atema eno mfa nyansa bi ama emu obi e nya nyansa because ebi be gina na me kana obi didi atema nyansa bi ama but wadwen bi a wo kire no nyina ye wo individual differences and certain way nepe nti uba na wachire wadwen na obi nso wachire na adwen ni nya kire ya adwen ye koyenu but ekoye didi atema ye nya nyansa bi amfim and this ade ye nya didi sua de o enye ye se first na sa ade we ni wona nke be den first na sa ade ma we ni wona nke be den sa ade we ya bra ama na obi oni mida o enso ne don't look to me chat boy ya na nse ya me de ne ba yi oni mida o ne video ana o ne me kasa so episode ba in 2 weeks na de ne ba mo fo be do mo video se am de mo ba ko ma bebre o mo ne meta social media ya etikia kasa ni didi ye motama kasa de ni ntumi ma onu so be du kroma wanya adwuma onu so de hwe na bushia me obi na de me ba na me nim nita because meeting already am say fellow Mr. Patrick na me share bia obi on ne o ma don to me du ba bia me gina ni nim nita because share na me ta ko ba ko Alex ono me ne na wa no introduce ma me committee no because me papa ana o de be du kroma na me wa me mabom wa ha de boy sa no media ya so nfi de share oh sister Sister Lydia ba go pekai, Mr. Bagba chisa, na mi shira pa so he. So ana yeso de bedu kuma nti se bibi ba na ye kan, ma mi di atam, ye na machio. Kire wa dwe me so ma kire ma adwen. Ne nyina ya kasa na esi because me ye video na me ready mo nsam. Me ready na me tumi di bom. What I say? Ti we de adwenkyere ne nyina ya kire ne wan ti ase no. Na yan bia na so aka wa adwen di atam de yamu yi. Say me platform yi so, say obi platforms mu ni di atam. Ni yan kanya nsam. Ko kanya nsam ti nipa na yesen se obi di atam. Ache sa gas ede. Da mu nyina ma see you guys later.
SMTV for life.